How to fix cannot renew or see history from previous seasons on FPL. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix cannot renew or see history from previous seasons on FPL. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost method to fix this issue is go ahead and open App Store and search for Fantasy Premier League. Make sure you are using the latest version of FPL, and if not, then go ahead and update the application. And if you are using Fantasy Premier League on web, then try to refresh the page and clear the cache and cookies and see if your issue is fixed or not. Also, in your Fantasy Premier League app, go ahead and ensure that your account is not suspended or restricted by FPL. And if it is, then simply wait for some time until the suspension or restriction expires. Also, make sure that you logged in to FPL using your correct login credentials. You can also try to log out of FPL and re-log yourself in. If the issue still persists, then try opening FPL on your web browser if you are using the app version of FPL and vice versa. Lastly, open App Store and search for FPL and scroll down and find the app support option and tap on that and further report your issue. So, this is how you can fix cannot renew or see history from previous seasons on FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.